So we starting to roll. We're gonna see what happens. Now you were saying you needed a pan.
Yes, that's good.
This is fine enough.
Good.
Oh, okay,
That's
okay.
about the size I have.
And you're
But it's not. It doesn't have any weed or anything. Red lentils. I soaked it overnight.
Oh wow.
We put it in a blender, and then it just makes it like a pancake consistency, and you
Really?
just pour it in there.
Oh my God.
Yes, it's very. Oh my God. Very.
That's all?
That's right. Spices. You can put some spices in the blender or what have you.
Come on.
This is for the salad. I just bought some okra.
I made some salad.
Okay, great. Thank you.
I never had raw okra.
Yeah.
Or you cook it a little bit? Oh, we can cut that up and put it in there.
And I know I use sometimes put black beans in
Oh,
my
that's
salad.
fabulous.
And then I made tuna.
Sounds
Tuna/salmon. I use a can of tuna and a can of
and
seaweed. So sometimes I use
seaweed.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, that's salmon. But I remember, I think she did a leg of lamb. And what I liked about it is that she put a lot of garlic. Garlic. But she would just stick cloves of garlic in it. And that's what I just love. That's what I remember.
When did you and how did you make the decision to document it like you've been documenting it? Like you've really found a way to be at peace with the loss of memory, because dementia it's so frustrating. But your mother is not a person with dementia who's angry.
Right. Dinga Buchanan, phenomenal artist.
Yeah.
She was given a class for seniors to work on a fiber art project. So I said, okay, this would be a good thing for me and Mom to do. So I figured it's a good art project for my mom and I, because my mom used to sew when I was growing up.
Right.
She used to make hats, that type of thing. So I would bring her to the classes, and then when she gets to my place, then since I have a whole bunch of art supplies, we would work on a couple of pieces together. So, so I think it started then with Dinga's class, and then we had an exhibition.
Wow.
And it was her artwork. Our artwork was behind these glass cases and everything. So I brought her, and I said, "Look, Mom, here's your work." And she was just like lit up, and it's like she was an artist. She knew she was an artist.
Right,
she was about
right.
80 something years old. I think she might have been like 86 or something.
Right, right.
And she was just, because there was a lot of people there at the reception, and she would just bring people over.
Oh, wow, wow.
To it
she would show people her work. Yeah.
Her work. So that was just amazing to see that.
Fantastic.
Transformation. Yeah. So then after that, I just kept her.
You kept doing things.
Yeah.
You've written more than one book, though. This one, the latest, is the Caretaker's notebook or workbook.
It's both. So this one is Sacred Stitches, the Art of Caregiving. And it has worksheets in it. It has journal pages. It has things that I went through with my mom.
Right.
And just for the care, because there's so much on the caregiver.
Right.
I mean, when I post the pictures about my mom and stuff, I make it look fun, easy.
Right,
It looks joyful, because that's what I'm focusing on. But there are times that, it's difficult. It's hard. And so I just wanted in that book, it's a book specifically for caregivers and how to take care of themselves.
Yeah.